marketing professionals ever felt trapped in the complex web of sales funnels? You invest significant time and budget, yet often struggle to see the desired ROI. This video reveals a strategic alternative to traditional funnels designed for efficiency and maximum profitability. Funnels are often touted as the ultimate solution for conversions. However, for many marketing teams, they become a bottleneck. Building, optimizing, and maintaining complex funnels is incredibly time-consuming and resource-intensive. This often leads to diminishing returns and missed opportunities. The reality is, traditional funnels can be expensive to set up and manage. They demand constant A/B testing and iteration, diverting valuable resources. Worse, despite all the effort, they don't always deliver the sales volume or conversion rates you anticipate. What if you could generate profitable campaigns without a single funnel? Our innovative 60-minute money method empowers you to leverage your existing private label rights, PLR assets. This approach bypasses the complexities of funnel builders and extensive copywriting. This method focuses on rapid deployment and immediate impact. It's about maximizing your content's potential. With minimal overhead, you can create high-converting campaigns in under an hour, freeing up your team for other strategic initiatives. Here's the strategic breakdown. We utilize powerful, targeted prompts with advanced AI like ChatGPT. This process uncovers hidden sales angles and unique value propositions within your PLR content. It's about data-driven insights, not guesswork. The AI then guides you on precise product positioning for specific audiences and platforms. This ensures your message resonates where it matters most. You gain a clear, actionable system, eliminating tech headaches and endless testing cycles. In under 60 minutes, you'll have a complete evergreen campaign ready for deployment. Imagine launching on YouTube, social media, blogs, or via email. With such speed, this method integrates seamlessly into your existing content strategy. The true power lies in its sustainability. Once live, these campaigns continue to generate sales week after week. This provides a consistent revenue stream without the ongoing stress and resource drain of managing intricate funnels. Stop wasting valuable hours wrestling with complex software and low-performing funnels. This method transforms your PLR library into a consistent profit center. You'll finally see tangible results from your digital assets. Once you master this streamlined process, it's infinitely repeatable and scalable. Apply it across your entire PLR portfolio, multiplying your profitable campaigns. This is about smart, efficient marketing that delivers. If traditional funnels have been a barrier to your marketing success, it's time for a strategic shift. Click the link in the description below to discover the 60-minute money method. Learn how simple it can be to generate significant income from PLR in just an hour, no funnels required. Like this video, subscribe for more marketing insights, and share it with your team.